Hi friends, my name is Gautam and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see the mystery of 108. So I'll explain it clearly. Without this number there is nothing. So without wasting time, let's start our count. For a Hindu, you must have known about this 108. If you see how many workers or the assistants does the Lord Shiva have, he makes you know that it is 108. Priest, how many secret temples or temples does Lord Vishnu have? He will say, don't you know it is 108. Chant any mantra, any specific mantra, also 108 times. It will be a bit frustrating when you actually have to do it every time 108 times, and also you have to circle around a temple 108 times. Why is this? Let's see. Ask the mainstream experts, mainstream religious experts, they would say like every religion has picked a random number as such as Christianity with 3 because Trinity and all that stuff, but no one knows the actual evidence why the Hindus are picked with 108. If you are a really healthy person, healthy enough, then you would breathe 108 into 100 times a day. I mean sunshine time, and also 108 into 100 times during the moonshine. So now this is the sun and the moon, and if you see this is a really crazy diagram, you don't feel anything crazy in this, but a person or an alien from the Mars sees this diagram, he will definitely laugh because the sun is ultimately 400 times bigger than moon. So if you ask me how does lunar eclipse occur, then I will only give you one answer, that is the distance between the sun and the earth by diameter of the sun is 108, and also not only that, and the distance between earth and the moon by the diameter of the moon is also 108. This is why it looks the same. If you come back and ask me again, your ratio is wrong, as when it goes in the longer distance, it will be 109, not 108, but mostly it will be 108. So please consider it as 108. We have established that 108 is a really important number. Then now you are going to see about the about the moon, as it does really make so much helpful for us by following that 108 ratio. Let's see how it does. The moon actually controls the tilted area of the earth. So actually two planets, first Mercury and Venus, both of them doesn't have moons, and Mercury actually rotates at 0 degrees and Venus does it on almost 180 degrees. So if moon is not there, the earth should be rotating or 0 degrees or a bit like near to 180 degrees if the moon went far away from here. If the moon vanishes, it's really difficult, as you also agree with me, right? Same thing happened in Mars also, as the two moons were really far away from the Mars and couldn't handle the tilt of the Mars. That is why it can't get into the position of the Earth. So what if it happens like the moon just comes a bit near to the earth, just like 10% closer, not following this 108 ratio, the earth will be full of tsunamis. If you see this is a really weird linga prayed by the Buddhas. So this is how it looks. But you see from the top, it is just a pentagon. And if you see it properly, the angle between two of the lines is 108. So this literally means that they pray to 108, but not the God. So friends, if you like this video, share, subscribe, and don't forget to get the notifications by bell icon and keep it on all. And yes, just you have to just press the buttons, right? Okay, so this is the actual mystery of 108. I explained it with evidence. So now stay home, stay safe, and don't go anywhere outside. And bye friends.